Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Rajma using canned kidney beans. First, you will need 2 standard 15-ounce cans of kidney beans. Make sure to rinse and drain them very well under cold water to wash away any extra sodium. Next, get all your aromatic ingredients ready, such as 1 large onion, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 4 cloves of garlic. Finally, measure out your essential dry spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. Now let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped large onion and saute it gently until it becomes beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add your dry spices, toasting them for 30 seconds. Next, we will add the tomatoes and beans to create a rich, hearty sauce. Pour in 1 cup of pureed tomatoes and cook this mixture, stirring occasionally, until the oil begins to separate from the sides of the pot, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, add your thoroughly rinsed kidney beans along with 1½ cups of water. Bring the entire mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. For the final touches, stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Taste the rajma and adjust the salt as needed. A small pinch can make a big difference. Your homemade rajma is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot with fluffy steamed basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish each serving with a little more chopped cilantro. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.